nouns. Names of people, places, animals, things. Children, do you remember we played game in our first session of name, place, animal, things? Those all were nouns. Students, let's see some more examples of nouns. Fill in the blanks using suitable nouns. First one, dash is my country. Where do we live, children? India. India is my country. Second one, the sun rises in the dash. Where does the sun rise? East. Third one, the dash is the national animal of India. Do you know our national animal? Tiger. Fourth one, a rabbit lives in a dash. Correct. Burrow. Fifth one, curd is made from dash. Milk. The curd is made from milk. Students, India, East, Tiger, Burrow and milk are the suitable nouns which we have selected for this. But there are some more nouns in the sentences. Let's see those. Country, sun, animal, India, rabbit, curd. These are some more examples of noun which has come in these sentences. Now, in the next slides, we are going to see the kinds of nouns. Those are common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns. Names given in common to persons, places, animals or things. Examples: plate, lion, brother, school. Let's see an example. There are many forts in our state. Here in this sentence, forts and state are nouns. Forts can be any fort in general, and state can be any state in a country, so that forts and state both are common noun.
Proper nouns. Special names given to anything around us, to people, places, animals or things. Examples: Sita, Mumbai, Himalaya, Moti. Always remember, while writing proper nouns, the first letter is always capital.
Now, let's have a look on this sentence. Sinhagad Fort is in Pune city. In this sentence, there are four nouns: Sinhagad, Fort, Pune and city. Sinhagad is a name of a fort. Pune is a name of a city. So these two are proper noun, whereas fort and city are common noun. Now, first letter of both words, S of Sinhagad and P of Pune, are written in capital. Students, let's solve an exercise. State the kind of underlined nouns. First sentence, Krish opened the windows. Here, Krish and windows are nouns. Krish is a proper noun because it is a name given to a person, whereas the word windows is a common noun. Second one, babies love toys. Babies, common noun. The word toys is also a common noun. Third one, Meena reads newspaper every morning. The word Meena is a name given to a person, so it is a proper noun. Newspaper is any newspaper in general, so it is a common noun. Thank you, children. Have you enjoyed? Today, I will be giving you classwork and homework images. Don't forget to solve it. Bye-bye.